Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to remove your fingerprint, so you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove fingerprint in our Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I will show you how to remove fingerprint. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to remove fingerprint guys. Then guys, you can see this biometric and security setting guys, and guys click on fingerprint and guys draw your pattern. So which fingerprint guys, 1 and 2 guys, it's your choice guys. So I will delete on this both of fingerprint. Then guys you can see remove, and guys remove here. Then guys click on one finger, remove. So a fingerprint will remove in our Samsung phone device, then we cannot use our fingerprint in our Samsung phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove fingerprint in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.